Scientists from the Scott Polar Research Institute are part of the onboard 36-person Viking expedition team, a diverse group of experts that lead guests to onshore excursions and encourage them to participate in collaborative science activities and fieldwork, an experience exclusive to Viking. These scientific opportunities through Viking's Citizen Science program provides a level of onboard education and enrichment never seen before on a cruise ship. Tell me about your role here on the ship.
So I'm the chief scientist on board and I'm managing all of the science activities on board. We have quite a few things running at the moment and we have a team of scientists, myself and 2 field scientists, but we also have 3 specialists on board that have their own specialities. So tonight we're going to be launching the weather balloon. And that weather balloon we inflate with helium and then we let it go off deck 7.
And the timing is very important for the release of the balloon.
Yeah, so it needs to be launched at GMT 12 midday or 12 midnight. And the reason why that's important is because all of the balloons all over the world are being released at that same time. So it gives us a real interesting snapshot of the weather globally.
At one moment in time.
At that exact moment, all over the world.
Well, tonight's going to be very exciting. I'm looking forward to it.
It is. When we're getting the balloon ready to launch, all of the guests come up to deck 6 and they are outside there waiting for us to bring that balloon out. They count it down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then we let it go and they can actually witness that balloon going up and away from the vessel. That data then comes in and we monitor it all the way up until it gets to around about 28 kilometers high. Yeah. And then we can take that data and then give it to NOAA. All of that data is coming from this particular radio sound, and there's a few different things that collect here. So firstly, this little one up top here, that is called a thermistor, and that collects the temperature. Then we've got humidity data as well as pressure data.
Right.
And then we also have wind speed and direction, which is actually calculated through the GPS that's on there.
So why are these launches so popular with guests?
Well, I think for a couple of reasons. Actually, there's probably 3 reasons that are so popular. Yeah. Firstly, you get drinks, right?
Yeah, of course.
Secondly, it's very visual, right?
Yep.
It's a physical balloon that's going up. It's really exciting. And when the weather's bad, it's even more exciting. And then the other reason is that they can be part of the science that's happening on board, not just read about it later. The interesting fact is that actually the Octantis and the Polaris are the only 2 civilian vessels that are allowed to launch balloons. So we're the only ones doing it.
What a great program and wonderful experience. As you can see, a trip with Viking, the Thinking Person's cruise line, is more than just a holiday. It's a journey of a lifetime.